The next thing is workflow AI. Workflows are the key part. They are the automation behind HighLevel. Now, one of the things that people struggle with workflows is it does take some design ability to build it. Workflows have triggers, meaning how do I start the workflow? What condition has to be met in order for this workflow to start? Something like somebody fills out a form on the website or somebody schedules an appointment. These are common triggers that happen. And then once that happens, then you can have actions underneath that particular trigger that will execute and run your series of logic is what's supposed to happen when that event occurs. So this right here is where workflow AI can help you out in two ways. Number one, it can actually, you could tell it what you're looking to build. Say, I'm looking to build a lead follow-up system that's going to send 10 emails after somebody fills out a form. You can do all of that, and it will actually build out the entire sequence, which is a really good time saver, by the way. You can do it manually, but if you sit back and have workflow AI do it, it can build all of the action steps for you and save you a lot of time, especially if you have long email sequences, because sometimes building out the actual action of email sending and then the wait step can actually take quite a bit of time to build that out initially. So again, that's one thing that you can do with workflow AI. Another cool thing is using the workflow AI assistant. So sometimes if you get a workflow, maybe if you sign up for HighLevel and you do an affiliate, let's just say you get an automation from one of my snapshots and you start wanting to look through it and it looks rather complicated. And it's rather than going through and looking at all the complications, you just sit back and ask yourself or ask the workflow assistant, hey, what does this workflow actually do? And it'll actually go through and scan the workflow and break it down in layman's terms. That way it helps you out without you having to sit back and spend a lot of time analyzing what the workflow does. So that's some pretty cool things that you can actually do inside of the workflow AI.